Mondays with Myra. Live life forward and share wisdom back. Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Myra Fernandez welcoming you to Mondays with Myra. And I have a very special guest. Tell me more about this place. Like, how come you're working here?
The reason I'm working here is because I see the opportunity of helping my family's business and to making it grow bigger. And it's just, it's a family business. I plan to take over it someday. I went to Cal State Long Beach, graduated back in 2023. I studied accounting, and then I currently go to UTI to study diesel engines.
How come your mother is here?
My mom has, part of the business, she's the one that does the invoices, attends customers, keeps us up to date, day to day, orders parts, so she pretty much does everything. My dad started this back in the 90s. He started with trailer tires, and then he worked his way up and bought his shop back in 06 in Huntington Park.
Well, thank you so much for allowing me to interview you and everybody to see your great personality, your great smile.
Thank you.
He's getting shy on me. I love it.
My name is Miguel Santini. I am an owner of a shop.
How you got from being very, very poor to now owning this great establishment?
The most important thing is being in commitment and have a very clear vision of what I want. I wanted to own a shop, do business with cities and government contracts, and it was just concentrating and getting information and be able to acquire all the requirements that they needed in order for me to start doing business with them. It was not easy, however, but it takes time and commitment. It's getting information from the government, be able to get help. Small Business Administration is a great tool for a small business. They give you a mentor, they guide you. As long as you meet all the requirements, they're there to help you. When you called.
I did call.
And he told me, is this the
There you
core?
go. I called.
And it said yes, the core, so you can buy it.
No, but you didn't see that.
I said that's the core, Angel.
You said thank you. That's the core. You said that's the core. And when did you tell me I don't have anything? And you said you guys all core. You just said right now.
Yeah, but mira, yeah, forget it. Just remember, okay, next time, that's it. It's about finding solutions and learning.
And this is Mondays with Myra. Don't forget, push the like button and the other button that I can't remember right now what it's called. It is called
Subscribe button.
Subscribe. See, he knows it because he's just in his 20s. So, guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you next week.